So why am I showing you this? It's because I think the theory of CA explanation is very, very long. Yes? From table 1 all the way to the last table, so long. So, this can be a shortcut. Table 1 shows you production possibility before trade. So you just need to say, okay, China was at point A, okay, then US was at point B. China is at point A, US is at point B. Table 2 compares op cost. And I'll say you can see directly from the table. Sorry, directly from the diagram. Which means in China, 1 week op cost is half a cloth. You can see, right? Because China can produce 200 wheat or 100 cars. So if they produce 1 wheat, they sacrifice half a car. This is just the reverse. USA, 1 wheat, 2 cars, 1 car, half a wheat. Wait, is this correct? Yeah, correct. What was in table 3? Specialization. Which brings China to A prime, US to B prime. A prime, US, B prime. Table 3. Based on the terms of trade. Based on terms of trade, which is 1 wheat to 1 cloth, they end up at 100, 100. Both benefit because they're outside the PPC. I'm showing you an alternative to the tables because this diagram shows you everything that the table tells you. You're saving time because you do not need to draw 4 tables. Unless you can find something that the diagram tells you which the table doesn't tell you, or the table tells you that the diagram doesn't tell you. And I'll say there's nothing here. So the PPC approach is a shortcut. Okay? If I'm not wrong, in RI you'll have seen the PPC approach to explaining theory of CA. Some schools, no. Most of the other schools, they have not. But this is legit, you can use this. Okay? Am I right to say most of you see table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4? Yes? Just imagine the amount of time it takes for you to write or draw each table. It's very time consuming. And the worst part is you need all of the information there. So you can consider this.